Liam was a young boy who loved adventures. This summer, he was in his grandma's quiet village. It was a little boring for him at first. On the edge of the village stood an old, abandoned cabin. Villagers avoided it and told strange, scary stories. But Liam was not scared. He was very curious. He wanted to know its secret. One sunny afternoon, Liam walked to the cabin. The path was green and narrow. He pushed the old, creaky door and stepped inside. The cabin was dusty and cold, with old furniture in the shadows. He looked carefully and found a hidden wooden box. Inside the box, under old blankets, was a rolled-up paper. It was an ancient map with strange symbols and lines. It felt very old, and Liam felt a deep connection to it. He put the map in his bag, feeling excited. His summer was not boring anymore. The next day, Liam met Ava, a bright girl who loved books and old stories. Liam showed her the map. Ava's eyes grew wide. "This is amazing," she said. "These symbols look like old village marks. They tell a story." The first symbol on the map was a tall tree with 3 strong branches. Ava quickly remembered a big old tree near the river that looked just like the drawing. They decided to go there. As they walked, talking excitedly about the map, they felt the adventure was truly beginning. They soon found the huge, ancient tree by the river. Ava carefully searched the tree trunk and found a small, hidden stone with another symbol on it, a wavy line. Ava quickly realized it meant the old bridge over the creek near the mill. On their way to the bridge, they met an old man who warned them, "You children should not play near the old places. Some secrets are best left alone." His words made Liam and Ava a little nervous, but their curiosity was stronger. They thanked him and continued their journey. They reached the old, unused mill and the strong stone bridge. Under the bridge, Liam felt a loose stone. He carefully pulled it out, revealing a small, hidden space with an old, dark metal box inside. The box was locked. "Oh no," Liam said. "We need a key." Ava quickly looked at the map again. A tiny drawing showed a key near a broken house, the old blacksmith's house, known for making strong locks. They knew their next stop. The blacksmith's old house was far, almost outside the village. They walked for a long time as the sun began to set, casting long, dark shadows. The house was forgotten and sad, with its door slightly open. "Hello?" Liam called, but no one answered. Inside, old tools lay on the floor, and the fireplace was cold. They searched everywhere for the key. Ava finally spotted a small wooden bird on a high shelf. Reaching for it, she found a small, rusty key hidden underneath. "We found it!" she cried with joy. With the key in hand, they hurried back to the bridge. It was dark now, but the bright moon lit their way. Their excitement mixed with a little fear. The secret was very close. Back at the bridge, Liam put the rusty key into the lock of the metal box. With a soft click, the box opened. They both held their breath, wondering what treasure awaited them. Inside, there was no gold, no jewels, but a small, old book with thin, yellowed pages filled with ancient writing. Ava picked it up and read the first page. Her eyes widened again. "This is not a storybook," she exclaimed. "It's a book of plants, an old book of remedies, telling how to use forest plants for health and to make medicine." It was a treasure of knowledge, far more valuable than gold. Liam suddenly remembered his grandma, who also used herbs and knew many plant secrets. He wondered if this book belonged to his family. Ava found a name written inside the book. Ilara, Liam's great-grandmother. "This book belongs to your family," Ava said. "Your ancestors were healers. This is the real treasure." Liam then understood the old man's warning about leaving secrets alone. It was not because the secrets were bad, but because people feared the unknown, and perhaps feared the old knowledge. The village had a problem. Many people were often sick, and the doctor was far. The villagers had forgotten the old ways. Liam and Ava decided they must share this knowledge. They went straight to Liam's grandma, who was overjoyed to see her mother's lost book. "You have brought back hope," she said, tears in her eyes, hugging them both. With the old book, Grandma began to teach again. She showed the villagers how to use plants from the forest to make simple remedies. Liam and Ava helped her, gathering plants and writing down new findings. They became young helpers, and their discovery turned them into village heroes. The abandoned cabin was no longer a scary place. It was cleaned and became a small library, a place for learning. The old book held a special place, surrounded by other books about plants. People came to the cabin, not with fear, but with curiosity and a desire to learn. The village slowly healed and became a brighter, happier place. The summer ended, but the story of the old book and the hope it brought continued. Liam and Ava's friendship grew stronger, and they looked forward to a future where they could keep learning and helping their village. The secret truly brought light to all.
If you enjoyed this story, please consider liking the video, leaving a thoughtful comment, and subscribing to the channel for more heartfelt narratives.